Hello student, today's question is 4x cube plus 127 upon x is equal to 2016, then find the value of x. First of all, x is not 0. Why? Because x in denominator, both the side multiply by x, means x into this is a 4x cube plus 127 upon x equal to the 2016 into x. Now simplify the bracket. Therefore 4x cube into x means a 4x raised to 4 plus this is a 127 upon x into x means 127 equal to 2016x. Now this 2016x move to this side, means minus 2016x, means 4x raised to 4, right, as it is. The minus 2016x and plus 127 equal to 0. Now this is a 4 degree equation. Now first of all, find the factor of this 4x raised to 4, means this you can return as this is a 2x square into 2x square. Now 127 is prime number, means one only factor is 1 in 127. Now this fourth degree equation in terms of write quadratic equation factor. How to write? This is a 2x square, right, first, then write x term, means general term, right, ax plus this, right, one factor here 1 into second factor, right, 2x square plus bx, right, plus 127 equal to 0. Now our main target is find a and b such that this into this multiplication is 4x raised to 4 minus 2016x plus 127 equal to 0. Now first of all simplify this bracket. This is a 2x square into 2x square means 4x raised to 4 plus 2x square into bx means 2bx cube plus 2x square into 127 means this is a 254 into x square plus ax into 2x square means this is a 2ax cube, ax into bx means abx square plus ax into 127 means 127ax plus 1 into 2x square means 2x square plus 1 into bx means bx plus 1 into 127 means 127 equal to 0. Now first 4x raised to 4, right, as it is, plus now 2bx cube, here 2ax cube, x cube consider common, then remaining part is a 2b plus 2a plus now write x square term, means here x square, any other term, yes, this here x square. Now x square consider common, 254 and here 2 means 256 plus here only ab plus now write x term, x into here x term and here only x term means 127a plus b plus, sorry, this is a plus 127 remaining equal to 0. Now this equation created by this factor and this factor written in terms of this fourth degree equation. Now compare this equation and this equation 4x raised to 4 minus 2016x plus 127 equal to 0. Now compare with this equation 4x raised to 4 minus 2016x plus 127 equal to 0. Now look at this, here 4x raised to 4, here 4x raised to 1, this term is clear. Here x cube coefficient is 2b plus 2a, but here x cube coefficient, here x cube not available, then coefficient is 0, means 2b plus 2a equal to 0. Here x coefficient, x square coefficient 256 plus ab, here x square term not available in this equation, means this is a 256 plus ab, again this equal to 0. Now here x coefficient is 127a plus b, here x coefficient is minus 2016, means 127a plus b equal to minus 2016. This is clear. Now first of all solve this equation, 2b equal to minus 2a, therefore both the side 2 cancel out, b equal to minus a. Now b equal to minus a put here, means 256. First of all ab equal to minus 256, clear. Therefore b put minus a means minus a equal to minus 256, then minus a square equal to minus 256, then both the side plus, if you multiply minus 10, a square is equal to 256, then a is equal to plus or minus 256 square root 16 means 2a value possible. A is equal to plus 16, a is equal to minus 16. Now look at this. A is equal to plus 16, then B is equal to minus 16, and A is equal to minus 16, then B is equal to plus 16. But if you put here A is equal to 16 and B is equal to minus 16, then this part is positive. If you 16 multiply, and this part is bigger than this or not? B. If B is minus 16, now this whole part is now positive, but this side is negative, means this case is direct cancel out if you put this value. Now another case, A is equal to minus 16 and B is equal to 16. Then now put A is equal to minus 16, 127 into minus 16 plus 16. This total sum is 2016 or not? This value 127 into minus 16, this is a minus 2032, and plus 16 means 2000 minus 2016 or not? Means only case possible is A is equal to minus 16 and B is equal to 16. Now put this value in this equation. This is our main target, find A and B. Now put in this equation. Therefore this is a 2x square plus A is equal to minus 16x plus 1 into this is a 2x square plus 16x plus 127 equal to 0. Means this fourth degree equation you can write in terms of quadratic equation factor. Now 2 factor multiplication is 0. Therefore 2x square minus 16x plus 1 equal to 0, and 2x square plus 16x equal to plus 127 equal to 0. This is clear. Now first solve this equation. 2x square minus 16x plus 1 equal to 0. Now 2x square minus 16x equal to this 1 move to this side means minus 1. Now both the side divided by 2. This divided by 2 and this divided by 2. Therefore equation now 2x square divided by 2 means x square. Minus 16x divided by 2 means minus 8x equal to minus 1 by 2. This is I think clear. Now next term. Now this side create perfect square term. Means this is x square. This 8 you can written as 2 into x into 4. This minus 8x you can written. This is equal to minus 1 by 2. If you create here perfect square term, here x then here x square, 2 into 4 means here if you add 4 square, then create x plus x minus 4 whole square or not? Then this side also add 4 square. Therefore this is x minus 4 whole square. This equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 4 square means 16. Now this x minus 4 whole square write as it is. Now 2 is LCM, 16 into 2, 32, 32 minus 1, 31 divided by 2. Now take both the sides square root. X minus 4 equal to plus or minus square root of 31 by 2 or not? If you take square root both the side, square root square cancel out here, and this side is create plus or minus. Now therefore x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 31 by 2. Means this two solution possible, 4 plus root 31 by 2 and 4 minus root 31 by 2. This two solution using this quadratic equation. Now second one, 2x square plus 16x plus 127 equal to 0. Therefore 2x square plus 16x equal to minus 127. Clear? Now both this side again divided by 2. This divided by 2. This divided by 2. Now this divided by 2 means this is x square only. This again 8x equal to minus 127 upon 2. Now again create perfect square term here. Left hand side means again add both the side 4 square or not? Means if you write x square plus this is a 2 into 4 into x means here add 4 square and minus 127 upon 2 plus 4 square. This is clear. Now this is x plus 4 whole square or not? This is x plus whole square. Now this is a minus 127 upon 2. This is 16. Therefore this is x plus 4 whole square equal to minus 127 plus LCM is 2 means 32 divided by 2. Now therefore x plus 4 whole square equal to minus 127 plus 32 minus 95 upon 2. Therefore if you take both the sides square root, if here take square root and here take square root. Square root and square cancel out, means here x plus 4, here plus or minus, right? Clear? The square root of this 95 upon 2 or minus 1 means minus 1 into 95 upon 2 or not? Now therefore x equal to 4 move to this side means minus 4 plus or minus. Square root of minus 1 means complex number iota into this is 95 upon 2. This is again two solution possible. This is a complex number. Minus 4 plus I root 95 upon 2 and minus 4 minus I root 95 upon 2 means total 4 solution possible. This 2 and this 2 of this equation. 2 are real and 2 are complex.